class, today we are going to study time vocabulary. First of all, tell me, what do you consider 6 a.m.? Yes.
Dawn.
Dawn. What do you mean by dawn?
The first appearance of light in the sky.
Very good. Sit down. The first appearance of light in the sky. Okay. What do you consider 9 a.m.? Yes. Morning. What do you mean by morning?
The time between the sunrise and midday.
Very good. Sit down. The time between sunrise and midday. Now, what do you consider 12 p.m.? Yes.
Noon.
Noon. What do you mean by noon?
The middle of the day.
Very good. The middle of the day. Sit down. Now, what do you consider 3 p.m.? Yes.
Afternoon.
Afternoon. What do you mean by afternoon?
The part of a day between midday and evening.
Very good. The part of day between midday and evening. Sit down. Now, what do you consider 5 p.m.? Yes.
Dusk or twilight.
Dusk or twilight. What do you mean by dusk or twilight?
The time in the evening when the sun has already gone down.
Very good. The time in the evening when the sun has already gone down. Sit down. Thank you. Now, what do you mean? What do you consider 6 p.m.? Yes.
Evening.
Evening. What do you mean by evening?
The time between dusk and night.
Very good. The time between dusk and night. Okay. Now, what do you consider 9 p.m.? Yes.
Night.
Night. What do you mean by night?
The part of the day when it is dark.
Very good. The part of the day when it is dark. Now, what do you consider 12 a.m.? Yes.
Midnight.
Midnight. What do you mean by midnight?
It is exact middle of the night.
Very good. It is exact the middle of night. Sit down. Thank you, class.